We're in Avon Lake, Ohio at Legacy Point, located on Sweetbriar Golf Course, one of the most sought-after communities in all of Northeast Ohio. This community has so many great things to offer, including golf, tennis, pickleball, a community pool, and fitness center. The 558 English Turn offers a unique opportunity to fully immerse in a lifestyle of class, comfort, and luxury that only Legacy Point can offer. Check out this spacious office with glass French doors and private access to your wraparound porch. Starting in the stunning kitchen, fully equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances, including a Sub-Zero fridge-freezer combo and custom wine cooler. This kitchen was designed for entertaining, with a spacious eat-in dining area, a massive granite island that seats up to 8 people, flowing seamlessly into your 2-story great room. This great room features so many beautiful custom pieces, including this stunning mantle and 2-way fireplace, easily connecting you to your outdoor oasis. This lower level features an amazing theater room, featuring a projection screen and system, as well as surround sound. Conveniently located off of the theater room is a second kitchen for all your favorite snacks and beverages, making it perfect for movie night. Off of the media room, you'll find a luxurious guest suite with a full bathroom, making accommodations for your guests comfortable and private. As you reach the top of the staircase, you'll pass through 2 double doors, welcoming you into this gorgeous master suite filled with natural light. This space features vaulted ceilings, a cozy sitting area, and a surround sound speaker system. This master bathroom is the epitome of relaxation, with a jetted soaking tub, beautiful tile shower, his and hers vanities, a water closet, and of course, an enormous custom walk-in closet with a granite island. If you would like to see more of this house from the convenience and safety of your own home, please check out our 3D tour. It allows you to experience and tour every inch of this home that we may have missed here today.